Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of retro fashion with the SATINIOR 70s Hippie costume set. If you're looking to rock that classic 70s vibe at your next party or event, this might just be the perfect outfit for you. The SATINIOR 70s Hippie costume set is a complete ensemble designed to transport you back to the groovy era of the 1970s. It includes everything you need to channel your inner flower child: a vibrant dress adorned with fringe, peace sign earrings and necklace, a colorful headband, and even ankle socks with tassels. Let's break down what makes this costume set stand out. The dress, socks, and headband are all crafted from polyester, ensuring both comfort and durability. The fringe design adds an authentic touch that's sure to turn heads at any 70s-themed event. One of the best things about this costume set is its versatility. Whether you're gearing up for a Halloween party, a disco dance-off, or a themed birthday bash, the SATINIOR 70s Hippie costume set allows you to embody various styles from the 60s and 70s effortlessly. The materials used in this costume set are not only stylish but also easy to care for. With proper hand washing, you can ensure that your hippie ensemble stays looking fresh and ready for your next outing. This costume set is perfect for anyone looking to embrace the free-spirited fashion of the 1970s. Whether you're young or just young at heart, this ensemble caters to a wide range of sizes and preferences, making it accessible for everyone. In conclusion, the SATINIOR 70s Hippie costume set is a fantastic choice if you're in search of the best 70s-style costumes available in the market today. With its attention to detail, comfort, and undeniable retro charm, this outfit is sure to make you the star of any retro-themed occasion. That wraps up our review of the SATINIOR 70s Hippie costume set. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.